Add Claude Excel skill. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to the Windows search bar at the bottom of your screen and click it to open the search menu. Type Excel into the search field and wait for Microsoft Excel to appear in the search results. Once you find it, click Open to launch Excel on your device. After Excel finishes loading, click Blank Workbook to create a new spreadsheet. Wait for the workbook to open before continuing to the next step. At the top of the Excel window, find the Add-ins button and click it to open the add-ins options. From the available choices, select More Add-ins to open the Office Add-ins Marketplace. Wait a few moments while the Add-ins page finishes loading. After the Marketplace opens, go to the search bar on the right side of the window and click inside it. Type Claude into the search field, and then click the search button to begin searching for available add-ins. Wait for the search results to appear. Look through the results until you find Claude by 𝗟𝗪𝗞𝗘 for Excel. Click the add-in to make sure you have selected the correct one. On the right side of the add-in page, click the Add button to begin installing it into Microsoft Excel. Wait while Excel downloads and installs the add-in. Do not close the application during the installation process. After the installation is complete, the Claude add-in will become available inside Excel. If prompted, accept any required permissions so the add-in can function correctly. Return to your workbook and check that the Claude add-in appears in the available add-ins list or on the ribbon, depending on your version of Excel. You can now start using Claude directly inside Excel for supported tasks. The add-in will remain available in your Excel account, so you do not need to install it again unless you remove it later. You have successfully added Claude by 𝗟𝗪𝗞𝗘 for Excel by searching for the add-in and confirming that it is available inside your workbook for future use.